All right, today I'm going to show you how to cook salmon in a Ninja Crispi Air Fryer. Right here I have a Ninja Crispi Air Fryer, and I have a piece of salmon with tequila lime seasoning on it, and I'll actually add a little bit more seasoning on this before I cook it. I'll show you how to cook it well. I'm also going to add in something. I'm going to add in asparagus. Make asparagus inside of the air fryer to go along with this tequila lime salmon. Let's get started. So I have the tequila lime salmon, you can see right here. It has tequila lime marinating on that dry rub, but I'm also going to add something. I'm going to add tenderizer. This is Adolph's tenderizer, original unseasoned, and I'll put this on here to make the salmon tender. So I have that on there. I'm also going to add garlic powder. I mean to get it everywhere, but it's everywhere. Okay, got the garlic powder, 365 garlic powder. And I put a little bit on it, just like that. Have the garlic powder on it. I'm also going to add onion powder. This is 365 organic onion powder that I'm going to put on. Put some of this on here like that. Like that. And the onion powder on it. I'm also going to add 365 black peppercorns. This is going to add to the flavoration that I already have on there. So I have the black peppercorn on there. And what I'm going to do after this is I'm going to add olive oil on top of it. Now, adding this on top of it, what it will do is it will prevent the salmon from burning so easily. This is 365 organic extra virgin olive oil. It says medium heat up to 375. Right here. All right, so I'm going to spray some activator onto it. You can see, getting closer so you can see this. Sprayed it with olive oil. I'm going to take my tongs. I'm going to get right here. I'm going to get this up, and I'm going to move this. I'm going to take off the top of the air fryer. I'm going to place this down here in the air fryer. It's nice, somewhat in the middle, but to the side a little bit because I want to save space for the asparagus. So once I have this in here, look at it. Doesn't it look nice? Getting close, you can see the tequila lime flakes on top of it. I'm going to go ahead and put the top on that right there. Get some of that garlic powder off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the right setting. Now, if you know, the Crispi Air Fryer works different from majority of the air fryers out there. It has a recrisp option, so you can see this. It has a bake option. It also has an air fry option. It has a max crisp option, and it has a keep warm option. And you're probably wondering, what does all this mean? Well, they have it written down on stickers on the Crispi Air Fryer top. Keep warm is 175 degrees. Recrisp is 380 to 400. It's used to revive your leftovers. You have the bake option, which is 375 to 400 degrees, gentle heat for all your baked treats. And then you have the air fry option, which is 400 degrees to 425, gives your food a crispiness and crunch. And then there's also the max crisp option, which is 425 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This is best for frozen favorites, as they say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it under the bake option, and I'll do that by coming here and selecting the bake option right here. It's 375 to 400. All right. Some people may choose to do the air fry. I'm doing the bake option. So once I've done that, I'm gonna select the time. Now, generally speaking, with a piece of salmon of that size, I'll put it in for 14 minutes right there. And then for 14 minutes, I'll go ahead and press start, and it'll start beeping and get started with baking this. Now, what I'm gonna do while this is cooking, 14 minutes, I'm gonna take the asparagus, I come right here, and I'm going to cut the asparagus so it can go inside of the air fryer as well. So with the asparagus, you know, the bottom ends of the asparagus is tough. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the ends of the asparagus off right there. So I cut the ends off, see that? Discard those. And then I'm going to cut the asparagus in the shape that I want to have to serve on the plate. So with this, I generally go from the top, a little bit down, cut it. Because the size of asparagus, I'll just have two parts of it. I have the bottom part and the top part. Now that I have this, I want to season the asparagus. So I get a bowl, put it in there, and once it's in the bowl, I'll start adding the seasoning. The seasoning I have right here is sea salts of Hawaii. This is the Maui onion flavor. It's a Maui onion sea salt blend with other herbs and spices. Okay, Maui onion. It's made in Hawaii. So I'm gonna take the top off, and you see, here it is. And I put the salt on it, like that. Not too much, just enough to give it flavoration. And then I'll go ahead and put the top back on it. And once I have it like this, I'm gonna add something to it. I'm gonna add organic olive oil. This is 365 brand olive oil. Okay, Mediterranean. Go ahead and open this up. This is a fresh bottle of it. Come on the screen and smell that. All right, so you have it right here. Organic extra virgin olive oil. Gonna go ahead and pour some of the olive oil, maybe a tablespoon or so, on to the asparagus. Now what this does is it helps disperse the flavoration, as well gives it a protective layer to prevent it from burning when I'm cooking it in the air fryer. So I'll take my tongs, turn it like so. This allows the seasonation to get distributed, dispersed over the asparagus. Add some pepper. This is 365 black peppercorns. Put that on there. And I'll take the thongs one more time. And spin it. All right, so this is going well right here. And if you look at the air fryer, I have 10 minutes on the air fryer where it's cooking right here. So when it gets down to 7 minutes, I'm going to take the asparagus and add it for the last 7 minutes for it to cook alongside of the salmon. Wait for it to get to 7 minutes. All right, so now it's down to 7 minutes, and what I'll do is I'll take the top off. I think I was supposed to press the pause button, but it did not. I'm gonna take the asparagus, stir them one more time to get as much of the oil on there as possible. And I'm going to place it alongside of the salmon. I'm going to give it enough space enough space for the salmon to cook. And I'm going to put the top on here after I got the asparagus on here and let it cook for the remainder of 7 minutes. That way, everything will cook all at the same time. Hope this is helpful. Now that it's done, check it out. Here is the salmon right here. You can see the asparagus is cooked, salmon is cooked perfectly to perfection. That is how you cook salmon in an air fryer. Now, you want to check the interior temperature of the salmon to make sure it's cooked to the safe temperature. All right, so there you have it right there. Cooked to perfection. Now the timing, I had 14 minutes. It may differ in your air fryer depending on the thickness of the piece of salmon, your altitude, and other factors. So take that into account. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.